In our first task, we're looking at water in the tank. So a tank had some water. The function W represents the relationship between time in minutes and the amount of water in tank that's measured in liters. So the equation W of t equals 80 minus 2.5 t defines the function. So how is the water changing? So if you look in the tank, we have a value of 80. So that means the water starts with 80 liters, or the tank starts with 80 liters. So I'm going to write that down here. The tank starts with 80 liters. And the minus 2.5 t means it's losing 2.5 liters every minute. And I'm just going to put and loses 2.5 liters per minute. So what does W of t represent? Well, W of t represents the amount of water. In the tank. And W of t is actually the output. Time is the input, you do the calculation, and the output is the amount of water. So W of t is the output, which similarly, we used to just call this y. So it's just a different way of writing our y variable. So if I'm going to sketch a graph of this function, our input is time, so that goes on the x-axis. And we're going to put minutes, so I'm going to put that counting from 1. So there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'll put 9. Now on here, this is the amount of water in liters. And we start with 80. So if I'm looking here, what can we count by? So can we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80? So yes, we can count by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 70, and 80. Now at time 0, our y-intercept, our vertical intercept is 80. So I'm going to put that down here. Now I know every minute we lose 2.5 liters, but then also if we multiply 2.5 times 4, that's 10. So every 4 minutes we lose 10 liters. So here would be at minute 4, we're going to be at 70. At minute 8, we're going to be at 60. So if you notice, if I wanted to figure out the other, when I'm going to run out of water, it would run off the graph. So we might want to choose a different amount of time there and have that, say, count by 5 or 10 minutes so that we could get a better viewing window for when the tank runs out of water.